Hola clase, I hope you're all doing well so far, being stuck inside. We're going to review this week. We were going to take our Unit 4 test this week anyway, so we'll review today and then tomorrow over Unit 4, and then you will actually still take your test, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later on this week. But today is going to be review day 1, and then tomorrow will be review day 2, and then we'll move on from there. So one of the first things that we talked about this unit were adverbs of quantity, or adverbios de cantidad. So just as a little reminder, to express how much we like something, we learned 4 adverbs of quantity. Mucho, which means a lot. Bastante, which means enough. I like it just enough. Poco, a little. And nada, which means not at all. So just remember, if you want to say that you like something or you don't like something, you really just need to use gustar. So if you want to say I like it a lot, you would say me gusta mucho. Or if you want to say that I don't like it at all, you'd say no me gusta nada, just to express your general likes and dislikes. The second thing that we covered in this unit was expressing desire and preference and rejection. So just to go over some of these, the verb querer means to want. So if you want to talk about wanting something, you're going to use the verb querer. If you would rather say you prefer something, you're going to use the verb preferir. To express rejection, it's really easy in Spanish. We talked about this a lot. You just put no in front of the verb querer. So if you said I don't want it, you'd say no quiero. Remember that querer and preferir are both boot verbs, and you guys know these rules really, really well at this point. So all of the forms inside the boot get the stem change. For both of these, it's E to IE, and then obviously you guys know that nosotros is not inside the boot, so it does not get the stem change, and both of these verbs work this way. All right, so you guys can take a minute just to pause this and to write the answers either on a piece of paper or on your iPad or somewhere else, and then we'll go over the answers here in just a second. All right, so if we look at number 1, it says, yo blank los huevos para desayuno. We have preferir, again, that's a stem changer from E to IE, so the answer would be yo prefiero los huevos para desayuno. And we know there are 2 E's in the stem, but we only changed the second one, so it would be P-R-E-F-I-E-R-O. Number 2, me gusta blank el pollo. I'm looking for the word for enough. That's going to be bastante. Number 3, nosotros blank las papas para la cena. We know that the nosotros form is outside the boot, so querer is just going to be queremos. There's no stem change. Number 4, a él le gusta blank el helado. We're looking for the word for a lot, which is mucho. Number 5, I put 2 blanks in here just to remind you that you have to have another little word in order to say not at all. So it would be a ella no le gusta nada el pastel chocolate. And number 6, we have ellos and then preferir las bananas. So that's going to be prefieren, P-R-E-F-I-E-R-E-N. Bueno, for your homework today, you're going to complete the study guide that's attached to the same post on Google Classroom, and then you're going to submit it back to Google Classroom for a grade. We will continue with our review tomorrow, and then we will take the test on Friday. If you have any questions, please email me at obright@western.k12.in.us, or we can email to set up a time to talk, or you can just email a question to me either way, and I will try to help you. Again, if you need anything, let me know, and I will see you tomorrow.